Hi, I'm Bob with New Age Industrial. I'd like to talk to you today about a couple little unique items that we have built in the past, and I think you would find some great ideas off of these. First of all, I'd like to show you the aluminum billet. We are an aluminum fabricator, extruder. I like to show the aluminum billet so you know this is how we manufacture. You also are very much aware that we use sheet material too, but it is all 100% aluminum. But what I'd like to show you right now is this particular cart right here. This is designed to go onto an order picker with a gripper. It has the oak block on the bottom. It also has a stop here so that the worker on the order picker cannot get onto this. This stops them from stepping onto it. It's still being held in place by the gripper strip and it will hold it fine. This is designed mainly for a couple things. You know, every once in a while you need to go down the aisles and check your inventory, what you have. This would be a great cart for your inventory check. Again, you would be standing up about another 8 or 9 inches above this with the deck on here. So I would be higher up on this, not so far down. You can also put small goods in here. If you're going up to pick a lot of small product, this is ideal for that. It'll take you right along and you're not carrying all that extra weight. So it's very lightweight compared to what is out in the industry. It does allow you to put your longer forks in here. That's covered so you don't stick out of the back end and catch your racking or anything when you're moving around. Now on this other side, I've got another cart on here. This one is a lot different. This is not designed for an order picker like that. It's designed for a forklift. So the forklift will go into the pockets down here, and you'll notice this is just nothing more one of the New Age aluminum pallets with a taper. So it's easy to go in, but it's a pallet base. The customer wanted different shelves welded at separate locations so they can put goods in there. So they're going to take their forklift, they're going to pick goods. They got a 2-inch lip so things do not jump off, and they'll go down the aisle and pick and fill into this all the way from the front to the back. It's a great design if you're looking for small item pick and fulfillment, or if you're looking for large items. We've got 2 bars, so it allows for whatever size goods they're putting in there. 75% of what we do is custom. So if it wasn't for you guys out there calling us up, letting us know what you want, we wouldn't have this stuff. So I thank you for that. But keep in mind, you can visit us at newageindustrial.com. We'd love to build something for you. Thank you for your time.